Hi everyone. I'm going to talk about DT-based designing and smart city communication networks. Normally, the communication networks are playing an essential role in our daily life. So even though for a small analytical purpose or a large number of networks, we are using communication networks, especially for designing or transferring any information to the next medium. The communication networks are one of the key factors which can be used for a large number of applications. We are going to see about how the design thinking approaches have been enabled for this approaches. Design thinking is a human-centered approach. It is based on five pillars: user-defining problems, and ideating solutions, and prototyping and testing models. So, based on all the five techniques which are used in DT, the above models has been explained. So, let us consider a scenario about designing a smart city communication networks. So, let us discuss about how the five pillars have been enabled in this design thinking.
As we empathize the given problem statement, understand the needs of different city stakeholders, including residents, business, and public safety officials and city planners. So, another empathy is the identify issues like connectivity in crowded areas, real-time traffic data sharing, and secure communication for emergency purposes. So these are the parameters of empathy part of smart city: smart people, smart economy, smart environment, smart government, smart living, and smart community. Here comes to the design part. The multi-layer consists in the design part. The first part is cloud layer. The cloud layer responds for the large-scale data processing, and the second layer is fog layer. The fog layer consists of the intermediate computing, which responds in the localized hazards, and the edge computing uses for the real-time data monitoring, and the sensing networks in the critical infrastructure, and the last layer is edge computing layer, and which responds for the real-time data monitoring, and the embedded in critical infrastructures. These layers helps us in the problem statement to face the challenges in the communication networks.
So in smart city, the input has been taken from wired and wireless sensors, and from that sensors, it has to be sent to a real-time application. So before implementing the real-time application, we need the brainstorm solutions like mesh networks and public Wi-Fi, and using edge computing. So before using edge computing, we need the cloud computing and fog computing. And from this, the entire layer of IoT has been built. And the input that is taken from smart sensors is used to implement the smart city.
This slide, we are aiming to create a small city network which aims to implement in areas like smart parking and busy intersection areas. The main focus is to implement this project using 6G network. Currently, we are using 5G network, but this future is fully on advanced features. So we only used with the 6G networks. First, we use terahertz communication and optical wireless to increase the data capacity transmission. Next, massive MIMO and IRS to increase the speed of the network. Next, artificial intelligence and unmanned aerial vehicles to increase the efficiency of the decisions. Next, mobile edge computing to increase the processing information. Next, blockchain is used to provide better security of the data.
We have discussed about the designing and the prototyping phase. Let's move on to the crucial aspect of our project, that is testing. It involves the rolling out of the prototype to the selected part of the city and maintaining and monitoring the network's performance under the different conditions and gathering the feedback from the users. Here is the various technologies: GPR, laser sensor, stereo camera, ground vehicle, smartphone, ground robot, UAV, etc. And you based on this refining the results based on refining the solution based on the results.
Finally, we conclude the session. In the scenario of designing the smart city communication by using design thinking approach, it ensures that the network is not only technically advanced, but it is also aligned deeply with the needs and the experiences of the users consuming it. The design thinking approach transforms the process of designing a smart city communication network into a collaborative, user-focused endeavor that balances the innovations with practical utility, ensuring that the final network is as smart as the city which itself. Thank you.
So, based on 6G technologies, we can implement more number of additional resources to the networks so that we can able to get more number of ideas to the users based on their response. So, thank you for giving a wonderful feedback about the smart city.